All right, rain gone from the area for now. It's not for good because we do have high rain chances here this weekend. We had some super soakers out there today, that's for sure. Now here's where it rained and how much it rained. This is estimated by Doppler radar here, and you see not a ton along the southern Palm Beach County coastline. It's pretty much rolled up the sea breeze. You can see that this blue stripe right here. That's where the sea breeze was. Bigger rainfall amounts, higher rainfall amounts west of Jupiter there in Jupiter Farms, up towards Fort Pierce. Sebastian saw over 4 inches of rain today, and the winter though 4.4 inches plus. Could have been more than this in some areas too. This is just estimates here. Right over eastern Martin County and a big wide stretch of it too, so that's why there was a flood warning for this area earlier that has since been expired because rain has stopped falling and has allowed those waters to come down. Temperatures right now mid to upper 70s up and down the coastline. Now what can we expect for the weekend? Still heavy rain potential will be there. Coastal flooding possible too. We haven't talked about this that much, but we have extra high tides because of the new moon. Then you get a lot of rain trying to drain back into the ocean, and you get that flooding along the coast. It gets backed up there. We also have other localized brief flooding episodes like we had out there today, where you get a whole lot of rain in a short period of time. It could flood some streets and some parking lots. Low temperatures tonight, basically the low to mid 70s. High temperatures tomorrow. I do think we'll see some peaks of sunshine. We'll see blue skies at times, and that will be mainly confined to the morning hours, and that'll push us up to 90 degrees probably around lunchtime or so. All right, new Vipercast model coming in. It does show some maybe right at dawn or pre-dawn hours, some rain moving through, but by 9, 10 o'clock, you're seeing some breaks in the clouds and some sunshine, so I think that a good chunk of the morning hours will be just fine. As we get into the after lunch hours, starting around 2 o'clock or so, that's when we'll see more showers and storms form, and they do move back towards the coast. Notice the flow west to east now, and you see it kind of bubbling up through the 8 o'clock hour. After 8 o'clock, things wind down once again. We quiet down, and that's the pattern we're in really through Tuesday. So even though these rain chances are rather high and it's going to be rather stormy, we're confining it mainly to the afternoon hours, say early mid-afternoon to just before the evening hours. Now this tropical wave down to 40% right now. It has flared up a little bit. Can't write it off quite yet. It still has an opportunity to develop, but it doesn't look like it's going to be a really strong system, and it doesn't look like it's going to make it all the way to us. It should get pulled out to sea by the same trough that's been sitting over the east. A few showers and storms for the boaters for sure, early morning and then late afternoon. Coastal flooding possible there right along the coast. Otherwise, the beach looks okay. 7-day forecast, high temperatures in the low 90s, lows mid 70s. Again, afternoon thunderstorm chances through Tuesday are pretty high, and then we'll slowly taper off on those rain chances mid to late week.
The Florida Atlantic football team is looking to bounce back after last season. How the Owls took the first step today towards getting back on top of Conference USA.
Tomorrow, dogs in Port St. Lucie will have a new place to run and play. The city's opening a new dog park at McChesney Park, and they have 3 separate compounds, one for small, medium, and large